Hello, I'm Bezier. This is a quick video to show how to add thickness to curve in Blender. In this tutorial, I will add curve first, so we can add curve and we can add Bezier curve, or we can add Bezier circle. I will add Bezier curve and then close up to fill it. Make sure that we select the Bezier curve and then go to Object Data Properties, and then we can go to Geometry and go down to Bevel. We can add the value in depth. So we can make it thick. So we can see the side view. We can fill the cap, or we can fill nothing. Next, this is a curve. So we can see that in the outliner. If we want to change it to merge, we can use right click and convert it to merge. So this is merge. So this is how we can add thickness to curve in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Bezier. See you in the next video.